Welcome students. Here we will discuss a very important topic, quadratic equation from NCERT book of standard 10. This is exercise 4.2 of NCERT book. We are discussing two questions here, question number 3 and question number 4. Question number 3 is find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Very interesting question. Let us see the solution here. Solution of exercise means question number 3. Here sum of two numbers is 27. So if one number is x, another number will be definitely 27 minus x. Okay, let one number be x and another number be 27 minus x. So that sum of x and 27 minus x gives us 27. Plus x and minus x will be cancelled out while addition. So we are getting 27, sum of these two numbers. And product is 182. So by question, we can write, so product of these two numbers means product of x and 27 minus x is how much? 182. So we have to find these two numbers, x and 27 minus x. So we'll simplify it. We are getting here a quadratic equation, and by solving this quadratic equation we will get the value of x, and then we can get value of one number x, another number 27 minus x. Okay, let us simplify it. So multiplying these two factors, we are getting a 27 x minus x square is equal to 182. Transposing these two terms to right hand side, we will get x square minus 27x plus 182. This is equal to 0. Now we will split up this middle term. So in previous videos also we have discussed some questions that how we can split up this middle term and how we can factorize this quadratic equation. Okay, so this minus 27x can be written as, this middle term after split up can be written as x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182. This is equal to 0. So what we have to take care, sum of these two numbers, or sum and subtraction of these two numbers will remain equal to this much. So naturally minus 14x minus 13x gives the same number, minus 27x, and product of these two numbers should give this much, product of first and last term. So product of these two will be 182x square. Product of first and last term will also 182x square. Okay, this is the process. Now we can take x common from first two terms. So x common, x minus 14, and from last two terms we can take minus 13 common. So minus 13 x minus 14, this is equal to 0. Again x minus 14 will be common from these two terms. So x minus 14 common, and here x and minus 13. X minus 13 is equal to 0. Product of these two factors is 0. It means both or any one may be 0. So you see, when x minus 14 is equal to 0, we are getting x is equal to 14. And when x minus 13 is equal to 0, we will get x is equal to 13. These are two values of x. And by putting these values in another number 27 minus x, we will get next number, another number. Okay. So if we take value of x is x, so if one number means x is equal to 14, another number is equal to 27 minus x is equal to 27 minus 14 is equal to 13. And when we put x is equal to 13, even then we will get the same value, 13 and 14. So these numbers are, required numbers are 14 and 13. This is the answer. Correct? Very interesting. Now let us discuss another question also. This is exercise, means question number 4. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. So here we will suppose that let x and x plus 1 are two consecutive positive integers. Okay, so therefore by question what we are getting, sum of whose squares is 365. So by question x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 365. Let us simplify it, or we are getting here x square plus x square, 2x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 365. We will simplify it further, or 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equal to 0. 2 is common here, so dividing throughout by 2, we will get here x square plus x minus 182, this is equal to 0. Now we will split up this middle term, so we can write here x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. Correct? So you can check here, sum or subtraction of these two numbers is x, remaining same value, and product of these two is equal to minus 182x square, which is equal to product of first and last term. Correct? So now we can take x common from first two terms. So we will write here x common, x plus 14, and minus 13 will be common from last two term, minus 13, and x plus 14 is equal to 0. Now x plus 14 is common in these two terms, so we can write x plus 14 is common from first term, x will remain here, and from the second term we will get minus 13. This is equal to 0. Therefore we can get here two values of x. When x plus 14 is 0, x is equal to minus 14. X is equal to minus 14. And when x minus 13 is equal to, x is equal to plus 13. But according to the question mentioned here, we should take two consecutive positive integers. So minus 14 is not a positive integer, so this is not acceptable. So finally we are getting x is equal to 13. So what are two numbers? These two numbers are x and x plus 1. So 13 and 13 plus 1 means 14. So therefore answer is, two positive integers are 13 and 14. And we can check here that product of these two numbers is 365. Correct? So these are the numbers required, positive integers, consecutive numbers required. So this is the answer. Correct? So students, these are very interesting and important questions. Hope you have got the method of solving these questions. So remain in touch with these videos. We have to discuss some more important questions for your coming board examination. And please share these videos with your friends also. And if you find any difficulty, any doubt, any confusion, or you want to speak anything regarding your examination, particularly in mathematics, please write in the comment box. I will definitely reply. So thank you very much for watching this video. Best of your exam. Thank you very much.